Scripts and code blocks are what give life to your apps. Using scripts, you can apply movement to your characters. You can respond to events when a character is clicked on or when a button is pressed on the keyboard or when your mouse moves. You can add sound effects and that's what's going to give the life to your applications. Now in order to apply scripts, you are going to need to be on the scripts panel. You are also going to need to have the model selected that you want to apply scripts to. So we want to apply scripts to our dog, so he is selected there, and then what we do is we start with some kind of event. Usually I am going to click on the event section and I am going to choose when the play button is clicked. So this is what's going to trigger whatever scripts that we apply. So I am going to click and drag this right here. Now this area is where you place the scripts that you want to apply. So as soon as we start running the app, then the scripts that we attach to this are going to run. So let's go back to motion. Now a motion deals with those scripts that move or rotate your models. So in our previous video of events, we were actually discuss about the motion of a model by using the help of event block code. So basically now you are very familiar with the events code blocks and how it is works. Well, in this motion topic, we will move and rotate our model. Also, we have an animation code block in object option. Go to the object option and check the first code block, set animation to our model. So how to move a model, which we already discussed in our previous video. So now I rotate my object with the help of transform property, select this code block from event option and also select this one to transform option and code that when we press space button, our model dog will rotate 60 degrees in 1 second. And check it works or not by simply clicking on a play button. Well, it's work and we have a code block in transform option that we turn the dog toward the sphere and see when we press the space button it works. And our next step is to provide animation to our model. So I select set animation code block from the object option and code that when click on play button, dog will run and check how it looks. So create your own creativity and you can create a number of creation in QuickXR platform with the help of event option, and ultimately scripts and code blocks are give life to your apps. So we can reorder actions, you just have to know how to take them apart. And again I encourage you to experiment with these motion action to see if you can make something interesting.